Hello, plant enthusiasts. Dive into the realm of botanical innovation with our exploration of houseplants that can grow in water, no soil needed. Discover the wonders of plants defying tradition, thriving in water-filled containers. Let's embark on a hydroponic journey together. Lucky bamboo, revered for its symbolism of good fortune, is a resilient houseplant that defies tradition. Thriving in water-filled containers, it exemplifies elegance and prosperity, making it a captivating and low-maintenance addition to any space. Pothos, the epitome of versatility, transforms spaces with its trailing vines. Remarkably, this resilient houseplant defies soil conventions, thriving in water. Its adaptability and lush foliage make Pothos a delightful and low-maintenance aquatic companion for any indoor setting. Philodendron, a botanical charmer, showcases lush, heart-shaped leaves. Surprisingly, this houseplant can defy soil norms, effortlessly flourishing in water. Its adaptability and elegance make philodendron an enchanting addition, proving that thriving greenery doesn't always need soil to root itself. Spider plant, an iconic houseplant, offers arching leaves and simplicity. Intriguingly, it multiplies its charm by producing baby plants or spiderettes that can be rooted in water, showcasing resilience and adaptability in aquatic conditions. Begonias, with their unique and colorful foliage, captivate indoor spaces. Surprisingly, some begonia varieties can thrive without soil, rooted in water. Their striking appearance and adaptability make them an intriguing and low-maintenance addition to water-filled containers. African violets charm with their velvety blooms. Unexpectedly, these beauties can propagate from leaf cuttings rooted in water. Their adaptability and captivating flowers make African violets a delightful choice for water-based growth, showcasing nature's versatility. Wandering Dew enchants with its trailing vines and vibrant leaves. Astonishingly, it defies conventional planting, thriving when rooted in water. Its adaptability and cascading beauty make Wandering Dew a standout choice for water-based cultivation, adding ease to indoor greenery. Syngonium, the elegant arrowhead plant, graces spaces with arrow-shaped leaves. Surprisingly, it adapts seamlessly to water-based growth, with cuttings easily rooting in water. Its versatility and graceful appearance make Syngonium a captivating addition to aquatic plant collections. Coleus captivates with its vibrant, patterned foliage. Astonishingly, cuttings of this colorful houseplant can flourish in water before being transferred to soil, showcasing its adaptability and adding an effortless burst of hues to indoor spaces. And there you have it, folks. The marvels of houseplants flourishing sans soil, a testament to nature's adaptability. If you've enjoyed this aquatic adventure, subscribe for more green insights and hydroponic delights. Happy growing!